Vivi.
I'm Mimi.
Welcome to our channel.
If you're new,
Please subscribe.
if you're new,
Please subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Give this video a big thumbs up. Today, guys, it's nearly Valentine's Day, so we will be making Valentine slime. Yay! We are very excited, guys. We have some clear glue. I have red food coloring. Mimi has pink. I have white tots. Mimi has some flowers, and then we are gonna use this lovely red
and
heart.
we got Elmer's
Magical liquid. Are you ready to make the slime?
Yeah.
Let's start in 3, 2, 1. Let's start.
I'm gonna start with glue.
I'm gonna open it like this.
Okay, let's go.
That's a lot. Looks.
I'm making it.
It looks
slime.
cloudy, guys. It looks cloudy.
I know.
I think I have a little bit of this. A little bit.
I did too much.
There you
Give
go.
me some.
Guys, I'm gonna add the magical liquid, and then I'm gonna add everything else in.
Magical liquid.
Not activating.
Is that enough? Okay, let's stop.
I think it's activating already.
Mine's not activating, guys.
Look at that, it's activating already.
Guys, if you want me to keep my slime like this, comment down below. And it looks like mushy peas.
A little bit. I think I am.
Okay, guys, we're going to carry on mixing.
What did I do? I think it's slime. What did you think?
Mine's not that sticky. I'm a chef. Come and have my buns. They're delicious. They're delicious.
You think I should add more?
Mine too. Because mine looks like mushy peas right now.
You think I should add more, guys? Comment below.
Comment down below. Hashtag Mimi. Don't hashtag Vivi. Write on the comments. Mimi will have the best slime. Who likes pink? Tell me in the comments.
I don't like pink. Should I add my food coloring?
I'm gonna say magical liquid. Make this work this time.
I think it's actually forming now.
Mine's forming, I think. Yep.
Yep. How is yours forming quicker than mine?
That's because I mixed it so much. Guys, mine's formed, I think.
Yeah, mine's forming.
Mine's forming.
Mine's forming.
Mine's forming.
Mine's formed officially.
Are you
This
forming?
is getting heavy.
Guys,
Is it time for food coloring?
guys, mine's heavy and it looks like a cloud.
It looks like a cloud. Should we add food coloring now?
Guys, look.
I'm gonna
Wow.
add red food coloring.
I'm adding some pink food coloring now. I hope I don't.
I hope I don't. What's that? That was just a bubble in my slime.
Okay, that's enough.
Looks like blood.
Mine looks like blood too. I'm dead.
You put too much!
No, I don't.
Yes, you did. This looks weird.
Ugh, slime.
What is this color?
Guys, look, it's gone pink.
Yours is really pink, but mine is gone maroon, which is a French word for brown. I think I added too much. It's gonna go to red. I love it.
You love it. No, it's a little bit, guys. What happens? Make it pink. Guys,
Guys, look, my red's really dark.
guys, I can't mix it. Oh, guys, look at this.
I just got some on myself. Mine's really dark. I don't know.
Guys, this
It
is
looks
so-
more of black than red. This is
make
actually black.
Guys, isn't
Try
that
to get
pretty?
red.
Guys, isn't that so pretty?
Look, the outside of the bowl's gone red, but look at the slime.
That's nothing.
Guys, for a random reason, my slime has turned brown.
Guys,
Looks, I don't know. I don't know if it's good or bad.
Guys, my slime is pretty. I'll just show you. Wow. Isn't that so pretty?
But isn't this good?
Mine is so sticky.
Mine is not sticky.
But
should we add our hearts?
okay.
Guys, we are gonna take our slime out the bowl and then we are gonna add some love hearts. I like this one especially. Let's move all the stuff.
Okay. Ready? I'm moving now. Wherever the pink kind of did a good job. It did a good job.
There you go.
Okay, let's
That was kind of. You ready for the brown down?
You ready? Guys, you ready for some glitter? Glitter! Glitter, glitter, glitter! Okay, I'm gonna start with this. We restarted without me, that's not fair. Guys, I'm gonna add some love hearts for Valentine's Day, like I added on my card. I got lots of red love hearts.
Guys, I'm not gonna add love hearts because since my slime is brown, it's not gonna show as much.
Is that enough? Guys, let's add a little bit more since it's Valentine's Day. Soon.
She's gone crazy.
On my mind. Let's mix it up. Guys, you ready? I'm poured. I'm ready, steady. Wow, it's gone so crunchy and it's hurting me.
What is she doing with that slime? She's kneading it in.
Ew. Guys, look at it. Wow.
I think you need to use this bit as well. Like mix it up.
Let's add a little bit more. Okay. There you go.
Maybe a little.
Mimi, this is my brain. So this is my brain inside. My brain.
So your brain is full of glitter.
Yeah, full of glitter.
Is that what you think about in school?
No.
Then why did you say your brain is full of glitter? You see, your brain is meant to be thinking, so all you think about is glitter.
Guys, you can barely see the love hearts. The silver one of this one, you can barely see it. Guys, look closely.
I can't even see a thing with those little love. Oh, I see them.
That's so pretty, guys.
Brown slime instead of red.
And get all
I'm
the-
never going to use it as this red food colouring.
You're always going to use my pink food coloring. Guys, look, I have spots. How did my slime get spots?
Stop being silly, guys. My
Let's
slime,
use
as you
that.
can see, is a very pretty brown with like these love hearts. They look like mermaid green, and then in here they look white.
Guys, I'm gonna try and make a slime already. Okay, slowly go. I didn't do
This
it.
is meant to be.
We can't make a slime.
Yes, I can. Watch. Let me get it all together.
Ready? Let's try.
With some red. Lovely red.
Just like this.
Now it has lovely red heart.
Try this.
A teensy bit done.
Then I slime.
Okay, guys, vote our slime in the comments. Please vote me because I tried my best, and the red food coloring somehow ended up brown.
Let's see. Guys, we finished this video. If you like it, give a
Big thumbs up
subscribe.
to our channel, and we will see you in our next video. Bye. Thank you for watching, everybody.
Mimi, don't try my slime.
Nope. I hate. No, I don't hate. I just dislike this color. This one and only color. What are you doing? Hands off.
Hands off mine now. I don't want to be anywhere near it. Anywhere near it. Anywhere near it. Anywhere near it. This is for the Miss Angel squad. Miss Angel squad is this big.
Miss Angel squad is the best actually.
Yeah, it's the really best. We make
The best squad I will know. And the best squad that will ever be known.
Yes, the best squad that you will know.
And ever be known in the Miss Angel's entire history.
I'm bleeding.
No, you're not.
I'm bleeding.
Anyway, let's see who can stretch this line the furthest.
Mimi, at the end of my name, if you want to write hashtag Mimi, V for Vivi, just write V. You can write V. If you like a slime.
Tried, okay, but the slime decided it would turn brown.
I bet
Make
the
it
boys
worse.
is going to comment for you. The boys are going to comment for her, guys. The girls. That's crazy. But subscribe to our channel. Give this video big thumbs up. We will see you in our next video. Bye. Thank you for watching.